Hello Rubik's Cube lovers. This is part 6 of our 7 series on how to solve a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. In our previous videos, we have solved the white side fully, the two layers, and we have also completed the yellow cross. Now we are going to solve the yellow corners. So this is the algorithm that we are going to perform today. So these are the 7 steps, and I've also mentioned the placements here, so you can take a screenshot of this. And in our video we will explain how to place the cube and what are the steps to be followed. So this you can have it as a reference. So now, if you had not visited our previous videos, or you have not followed our YouTube channel, kindly please do that. We have made a playlist of 7 videos on how to solve the Rubik's Cube, and this is the 6th video in it. So far we have completed the white side, the two layers, and the midpoint here as well. So as you can see, now all we have to do is correctly place these 4 corners of the yellow side to complete the Rubik's Cube. So to have these 4 corners, what we have to do is first we have to place the corners, and then we have to correct the placement. You might not understand what I just told, but just follow the video so that you will have more clarity. Now, what is the placement that I am talking about? See, you can see that the orange here matches with the orange center, and the yellow here matches with the yellow center. So this is correctly placed. But when it comes to the corner, you can see that the corner has 3 sides: yellow, blue, and red. So yellow matches with the yellow center point, whereas when it comes to the blue and red, you will find that blue does not match with the orange center, neither does the red with the blue center. So this is why I say that this is incorrectly placed in this cube. Similarly, yellow, red, and green, this is misplaced, this is misplaced, and so all the 4 sides of the yellow corner are misplaced. So in this case, all we have to do is you can place the cube in such a way that the white side which we first completed should be down, and the yellow side which we are going to complete now should be facing up. And with regard to the placement, you can, since none of the corners are correctly placed, you can place it in any way. If one of the corners is correctly placed, then you have to keep it in such a way that it is in this position, that is, it is in the right bottom position that is close to you. So it should be here, if in case any of them is correct. Since none of the 4 corners are correct, we can place it in any side that we want. Only thing we have to make sure is the yellow side is on top and the white side is on bottom. So we are going to perform these 7 steps, and maybe we have to do these 7 steps twice or thrice to get our results. So let's begin. So first we are going to take the left side up, then the top layer I'm going to move it left, and then the right side up, and now the left side, the top layer right, and now the left side down, and now again the top layer left, and now again the right side down, and now again the top layer right. So we have completed the algorithm. You might notice that we have taken the left up and then the top left, the top layer left, and then the right side up. And all we had to do again was, since we had taken the left side up, we brought it down, and since we had turned the top layer left, we turned it right, and since we had taken the right side up, we turned it down. So it was just a vice versa of what we had done in the first three steps. So now let's see what is the result. We can see that there is yellow here, there is red here, there is green here, and this is not correctly placed. Whereas let's look at this. We have red here, we have blue here, we have yellow here, whereas it's yellow, red and green. So this is not correctly placed. There is orange here, there is green, yellow, whereas it's blue, red and yellow combination. So this is also not correctly placed. But if you look at this, here we have blue, yellow and orange in the corner piece, and you can find that we have a yellow center, we have an orange center, and we have a blue center. So now this corner piece is correctly placed, meaning that this corner piece itself has to change sides, but it has at least reached the position. So following these 7 steps, we can only get that the corner pieces have reached the position where after performing further steps, we can change this to match perfectly. So now since we have only this correct, we have to perform these 7 steps again. But the only thing is that if you can refer a few minutes back, I had already mentioned that you can place the cube in 2 ways, wherein one, if you have any of the pieces correctly placed, then make sure that they are in the right bottom corner that is close to you. So now this is correctly placed, and I have to make sure that this is here. So I have to keep it in such a way that it is in the right bottom corner that is close to us. So remember it that it should be close to us. And now perform the same 7 steps again. Left side up, top layer left, right side up, top layer right, bring the left side down, top layer left, and bring the right side down. And now if you rotate the top layer right side, you will find that we have not disturbed any of the coins, and you can see that we have successfully placed all the coins correctly. So now the green, yellow and orange are here, whereas we have the yellow, green and orange. So this is correctly placed. And similarly, this blue, yellow, orange, so we have orange here, we have blue here, and we have yellow here. So this corner piece is meant to be here, and it's here. And now you can find that we have blue, red, yellow here, we have blue, red and yellow here. So this is also correctly placed, and this is green, yellow, red, and green, yellow, yellow and red. So all the 4 corners are now correctly placed. Now we have to perform one more step to get the Rubik's cube right. So this I will show it in the next video. So far I hope you have understood what we have done. Please repeat the steps for you to gain more practice and for you to do it in speed. So by the next video we will complete on how to solve the Rubik's cube, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like us, subscribe to our channel and comment on how to improve the videos further. We value your comments. So yes, thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends as well if you had liked the video. Thank you.